Welcome to our Sports Toto data analysis. In this video, we explain what pattern recognition means, then apply it to Sports Toto results from January to June 2026. Pattern recognition means looking across many past draw results and asking which structures repeat. We are not looking at one draw only. We check exact numbers, permutation families, front pairs, middle pairs, back pairs, digit sums, odd-even balance, and repeated digit structures. Before the analysis, this point is important. 4D results are random. Pattern recognition cannot guarantee a winning number. Its value is to organize historical data clearly, so viewers can track what is active and review it after each draw. The data used here is local historical draw data. The period is from January 3, 2026 to June 28, 2026. The sample includes 81 draws in 1863 prize number rows. The method is broader than hot numbers. We check exact repeats, permutation families, front pairs, middle pairs, back pairs, digit sums, odd-even patterns, repeated digit shapes, and recency gaps. The first finding is that exact repeats are limited. In 1863 prize rows, there are 1,709 unique exact numbers. The number of exact numbers that repeated at least twice is 145. The hottest exact number is 1984, which appeared 3 times. Some exact numbers are still worth tracking. For example, 1984, 0237, and 9311 are notable. But frequency alone is not enough. Prize position also matters. The second major finding is that permutation families give a wider view. A permutation family means the same 4 digits in different orders. In this period, 473 families repeated at least twice. The top family is 0246, with 10 appearances. Here are examples of hot permutation families. The exact order may change, but the same 4 digits can keep appearing in different forms. That is why a proper result review should check both exact hits and permutation hits. The third finding is structure. The hottest digit sum is 20. The most common shape is all unique, followed by one pair. Pair analysis also helps explain why some watchlist numbers rank higher. After combining exact repeats, permutation families, pairs, prize weight, structure, and recency, the top 10 watchlist is 5411, 0372, 0249, 9126, 7094, 2113, 0756, 0094, 9561, 3374. Remember, this is a data watchlist, not guaranteed winning numbers. How should viewers use this analysis? Before a draw, treat it as reference. After a draw, check whether the watchlist had exact hits or permutation hits. Over time, track the results honestly. The final takeaway: for Sports Toto in the first half of 2026, exact hot numbers are useful, but they are not enough. Permutation families, digit pairs, and structure patterns are better for long-term tracking. If you enjoy this data analysis, please like, share, and subscribe.